It costs $7,500 to fill an average 1,800-gallon fuel tank on a common sports fishing yacht. Our design can provide a real savings of $5,200 each time our customer refuels. For an average yacht dealership with a fleet of over 3,000 vessels, this is a savings of $15 million every single day. Hi, I'm Jillian Greatsinger.
And I'm Janet Ville, and we are E-Fishin-Sea. We're here to talk to you about the lack of environmentally friendly options in the U.S. maritime industry. In an effort to decrease harmful emissions, we decided to look into marine hybrid engine systems in the U.S. to find that there are currently no successful implementations. We also found that marine diesel engines are extremely inefficient at low speeds, while battery-powered propulsion requires a very high amount of power to go high speeds. So we decided to combine the best of both worlds while pursuing the sport fishing sector. For a sport fishing yacht to spend a day out on the water, they're looking at spending about 65% of their fuel while trolling, a method of fishing that requires the vessel to go at a constant speed of anywhere from 5 to 12 knots. So we decided that while trolling, it would be best to not use diesel engines at all. Instead, if the captain were to switch to strictly battery power while trolling, they can save that 65% of fuel typically consumed. So we have designed a hybrid system consisting of a marine diesel engine working with an electric battery so that we can mitigate both fuel costs as well as our carbon footprint.
And as an additional benefit, speaking from personal experience, the combination of diesel fumes combined with the high noise pollution from the engines can lead to passengers such as myself getting seasick over the end of the transom. However, by eliminating these two factors, we are getting rid of all the noise and the fumes, therefore ensuring a more enjoyable ride for our passengers. So for our bigger picture, after surveying over 18 dealerships, we found that over 25% of current customers would switch to our diesel hybrid engine for their next yacht purchase. This is over 15,000 people. Therefore, we are asking for our first tranche of financing to be $850,000. $200,000 will go towards continuing our research and development, with $50,000 going towards securing our intellectual property as well as our patent. The remaining $600,000 will go towards obtaining our prototype and retrofitting it with our hybrid engine system. Due to emission regulations constricting over the next 5 years, E-Fishin-Sea is ahead of the pack. Therefore, with your investment, we hope to see our hybrid engine system design out on the water within this time period. Thank you for your time, and we look forward to answering your questions.
Are you selling the idea of the hybrid system to existing yacht makers, or are you building the system and then selling that?
So basically what we did for our project was actually design the hybrid engine system, and right now we're looking for the money to actually secure our patent so we can then license it to already existing companies such as Hatteras, Viking, Bertram Yachts, companies that are already out on the water.
Did you consider wind power to the way some cruise ships have put up some sails when they need to go at lower speeds?
So we have considered that, but what we looked at was combining the best of both worlds, because most of these charter fishing yachts that are already out on the water use diesel engines. But like I mentioned during the pitch, diesel engines have a lot of fumes and a lot of noise, which leads to people not only getting sick, but a lot of the emissions that the United States is now constricting. So therefore, by using our electric battery, we'll actually be using it at the most high efficient point for the battery, which is at the low speeds, where the diesel engine is very inefficient during that time. We did look into sails, but seeing as sailboats are already out on the water, they're not as efficient as battery engines will be, especially because we're looking at using solar power as well, so that we can completely sustainable.
Okay, guys, thanks very much. Good job.